Should schools provide every student with full access to an iPad? Well, it's a controversial issue that's putting parents at odds in Arlington Public Schools. Straight out live to 7 News On Your Side's reporter Kelly Lynn to talk about a program shift that has parents here on opposite sides. Hi, Kelly.
Good morning. Some parents are worried that too much access to an iPad could have negative health effects on students, while others say not having full access to an iPad could impact students negatively academically. Well, this all started back during the pandemic. That is when Arlington Public Schools decided to expand its one-to-one digital device program. It put an iPad in the hands of every student in pre-K to 8th grade, and it allowed them to take home the device. Well, this school year, APS canceled that program for pre-K and kindergarten students. The school district has also shifted to class sets of 10 iPads in all first grade classrooms. While some parents are pleased, others criticize Arlington Public Schools for making that decision.
This widens the digital divide disproportionately, impacts at-risk students.
We're not seeing achievement gaps shrink. A lot of school districts have used these specifically for interventions to catch kids up, and we're not seeing improvements. We think, if we're being honest, these aren't working.
I don't think it's necessary, given that last year Arlington Public Schools had almost a $30 million budget shortfall. And when we are faced with federal cuts potentially coming our way, especially with our special ed population, we really need to look at where we can save some money.
And I wanted to know how much money cutting the program saved APS. A representative did get back to me and told me that that amount is $83,000. I also wanted to know what factors the school system considered when making the decision. And in a statement, that spokesperson says reducing device dependency supports foundational literacy and social emotional growth. If you'd like to read how the school system answered my other questions, you can go to our homepage. Live in Arlington, Kelly Lynn, 7 News.